Hello guys, today project is Tipsy project. This project completely built on Binance Smart Chain with better supply and zero buy transaction fee. Tipsy coin blockchain transaction is very fast and Tipsy coin total supply is 100 billion Tipsy coin. Tipsy coin is decentralized coin and 100% community driven coin. Tipsy coin is a mild alcohol created by penguins for humans. Tipsy is launched as a community focused coin that will foster love, joy and laughter between Tipsy holders. Tipsy coin is a hyper deflationary community token with passive rewards, automated buyback and burn features. Being tipsy make us happy, happiness contribute a better world. And Tipsy tokenomics, this is tokenomics. Max supply is 100 billion Tipsy coin. Tipsy coin is hyper deflationary coin. That means on every sale transaction, Tipsy coin automatically redistributed to all holders account. And Tipsy coin one of the best feature is buy and sell limit, which means everyone can buy and sell only 0.5% of total supply per transaction. And this is total supply distribution: 19.7% for marketing, 4.8% for community engagement and 5.5% for future development. For team member 10% vested over 12 months and liquidity locked for 5 year 50%, 7% for expanding to CEX and 3% for charity. And these are features of Tipsy coin. First feature is passive rewards, which means on every sale transaction holders automatically receive Tipsy coin in wallet. Second is automated buyback protocol, which means to allow strategic buyback from the market and also provides price stability. Third is burn, which means on every sale transaction some Tipsy coin automatically will burn. Most important thing is no buy tax, which means everyone can purchase Tipsy coin without any tax. And Tipsy coin have imposed 10% tax on every sale transaction, 4% for rewards, which means on every sale transaction 4% automatically redistributed to all holders account, 4% for buyback funds, which means on every transaction 4% automatically added to the liquidity pool or buyback fund, and 2% for sustainability, community and future development, which means on every transaction 2% automatically added to the development wallet. And if we will hold Tipsy coin, we can enjoy passive income. Tipsy commitment: anti-rugpal policy, 50% liquidity locked for 5 year. Second is vested team allocation. The team allocation 10% will vested for 12 months. And Tipsy coin auditing plan: Tipsy coin smart contract will be audited before launch. Tipsy coin roadmap: this is roadmap. November-December 2021 coding and testing smart contracts, building a community. Third is supporting various charity. Q1 2022 auditing of smart contract, release white paper, global media coverage, fair launch on PancakeSwap. 2022 being the movement, coin market cap and CoinGecko listing, exchange listing, expansion to ERC20 and Uniswap exchange, voting and governance plan, Hangover Cure NFTs launch, partnership with clubs, consent and metaverse for VIP access, developing the Tipsyverse as a whole new world in the metaverse, And Tipsy launched its metaverse like Tipsyverse. Tipsyverse is a game created by Penguins for humans, and everyone can spend live and earn with Tipsy coin as a. First is customize. Everyone can personalize the character with numerous purchase vehicles and buy land to build design home. Second is explore, which means Tipsy community can explore yourself with make friends, socialize in club and concert and develop relations, foster bonds. And Tipsyverse casino or engage the consultless other games, enter the competition and trade. Your NFT will stay with you forever in your wallet. NFT are individually numbered and everyone can trade NFTs on Tipsy Coin platform. And this is Twitter account of Tipsy Coin. Total followers is 8447. We can join Tipsy Coin Twitter account for latest update and also check latest tweet. And this is charity tweets of Tipsy Coin. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at own risk. Thanks for watching.